Hey everyone, and welcome back to Get a Simple. Today, we're diving into the world of Python web development and exploring a fantastic hosting solution, MilesWeb Django Hosting. Django is a powerful Python framework that streamlines web application development. It takes care of all the boilerplate code, so you can focus on building amazing features and functionalities. But with so many options out there, why choose MilesWeb? Well, here are just a few reasons. MilesWeb provides optimized SSD NVMe-based servers for Django applications, ensuring high performance and global reach. They offer cPanel for easy management and provide essential components like Python for smooth Django application running in their tier for data centers. With Django and MilesWeb Hosting as your power couple, you can create a wide range of web applications, from simple blogs and e-commerce platforms to complex social networking sites and more. So, are you ready to unleash your Python potential and build incredible web applications? Head over to the link in the description below to grab your discounted MilesWeb Django hosting plan and start creating today. Don't miss out on this amazing offer. Thanks for joining us on Get a Simple. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel.